As a startup that's run by artists, for artists, I never thought that there would be a program for me. And this program was such a surprise. When I saw it, I had to apply.
Entrepreneurship and creativity come together at the MIT Arts Startup Incubator, an annual student competition that has encouraged arts-focused ventures for more than a decade. The goal is to provide resources to teams with a new approach to a problem or challenge in the arts industries.
It is so art-focused. It's not just, does this make a lot of business sense? It's, hey, what impact is your business actually going to have on the way that people tell their stories?
Participants join the incubator with anything ranging from a concept in the idea phase to a working startup that's ready to get into the market. Throughout the year, teams develop a close peer network during cohort workshops and build one-on-one relationships with mentors that accelerate their ventures and refine their scope, business plan, and pitch.
There's a lot of emphasis that's on process over just the results. I also enjoy the cohort mentality, where we're learning from each other, from the other teams in the cohort, from where they are in the process, and feeding into each other's ideas through our experiences.
So first, how do you think about you, the artist, and you, the entrepreneur, separately or in combination?
I remember going back home, I was with my manager at the time. It was like, no, let's start a company. He made me a vice president. I was in the business meetings, I was in the boardrooms, I was in the marketing meetings. I think that's what informs my first response.
The idea for Create Safe was like, it started because I was trying to fix my own problems. I was like, well, what if we had tools to manage the metadata about music, from the point of creation? If we, on the creation side, have those tools, we can better manage that music IP. Thank you.
So with that, I would like to welcome Jade to kick it off. The incubator culminates in the spring when finalists pitch their ventures to a panel of judges for the chance to win seed funding.
StudentSpark aims to give a better tool by allowing visuals and data to become a bigger part of the conversation.
Culture Create offers opportunities for educators and students to engage intentionally with culture.
Here is our sneak peek of 10 designers who will be joining us at our very first pop-up. And this will be at the start of our journey to rebuild the city that we love.
Even if you don't win the grand prize, you get some seed funding, and you're also part of an incubator program. You leave with the tools you gain from meeting with your mentors and your workshop facilitators and learning from your peers. And that way, you'll have what you need to be an entrepreneur, whether it's for this venture or one in the future.
I think everyone has an idea. We just need the courage and we just need the right support to grow this idea into a business model.
They came to the MIT Arts Startup Incubator and instantly they got it. And instantly everybody who was in the room doing the workshops with me also understood it in a way that made me feel actually very validated.
Having these reoccurring workshops and pitch sessions and meeting other folks who are also in this area really gave me the excuse to start taking it really seriously.
Without further ado, I'd love to announce Culture Create.